Have you ever picked up a seashell and wondered, how does it get that color and pattern? Well, you're in luck because I'm about to tell you. Every mollusk has a mantle, and it's an organ that's responsible for depositing pigments and shell material as the mollusk continues to grow. Think of this as like an inkjet printer. Line by line, these cells know where to form in order to create pigment and shell pattern that is unique to that species. Now, not every shell species is going to have the same type of coloration, and there are a few reasons why, so let's talk about them. The color of seashells, even from the same species, can vary depending on age, genetics, diet, and environmental changes. So let's talk about some of the natural organic pigments that occur in seashells. I'll use my bittersweet clams here as example, but one of those pigments that can be found in a seashell is melanins, and those are going to produce brown and black colors. The other is going to be carotenoids, which are going to be typically orange, red, colors and that type of variation, even some yellow like we can see with this bittersweet clam here. And this is going to be based on diet because the only way the shell is going to get carotenoids is from the food that they consume, which is typically phytoplankton. Another type of naturally occurring pigment that's very prevalent in calico clams is porphyrins, and these are going to create reds, purples, and pink type of hues. Now, environmental factors can also impact the color of shells. For example, seashells that are found in warmer water may appear to be more vibrant than those in cold water simply because they have a larger food source. And we can't talk about color variation without talking about coquina clams. The scientific name for these clams is Coquina variabilis. Variabilis, I really can't say that. Anyway, you get it. The reasoning for the name is because these seashells do vary a lot by color. And the reasoning for this can be their diet, but researchers also think there's a greater reason at play. Coquina clams may be able to vary their color to confuse predators like shorebirds into not being able to recognize the species as prey. Isn't that so cool? So, did you learn something new today? Comment your favorite seashell below and why.